In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a page in Framer. Renaming your pages is a small step, but it makes a big difference in keeping your projects organized, especially as they grow more complex. Clear page names help you quickly find what you're looking for, collaborate with others more easily, and keep your workflow tidy. First, make sure you have your Framer project open in the editor. You should be able to see your list of pages, usually on the left-hand side of the interface. This is where all the pages in your project are listed, and it's where we'll start. Find the page you want to rename in that list. It might have a default name like page 1, or maybe it's a name you used earlier that you now want to update. Once you've found it, move your cursor over that page in the sidebar. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots appear next to the page name. These 3 dots usually indicate more options or actions you can take. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a small context menu with different options related to that page. In this menu, look for the option labeled Rename. It's typically listed along with other actions like duplicating or deleting a page. Click on Rename. As soon as you do, the current name of your page will become editable. You'll see the text highlighted and your cursor will appear inside the name field, ready for you to type. Now, type in the new name you want to use for your page. Try to choose something descriptive that tells you what the page is about at a glance, like home, pricing, or contact. Clear naming makes it much easier to manage multiple pages later on. Once you've entered the new name, press enter on your keyboard or simply click outside the text field. Framer will save the new name and you'll see it updated immediately in the pages list. That's all there is to it. By clicking on the 3 dots next to your page and selecting Rename, you can quickly update your page names and keep your Framer project organized and easy.